Today, you will learn how to display multiple pages in Word. First, click on the View tab at the top. In the Zoom section, click Multiple Pages. Word will instantly zoom out and display 2 or more pages on your screen, making it much easier to review the overall layout of your document. If you want to see even more pages, simply use the Zoom slider in the bottom right corner and zoom out further. The more you zoom out, the more pages Word can display at once. This is especially useful when checking formatting, page breaks, or the overall appearance of a long document. Now, if your Microsoft Word is already displaying multiple pages and you want to stop that, it's just as easy. Stay on the View tab and click One Page. This switches Word back to displaying a single page. If the page still looks too small or multiple pages are still visible because you're zoomed out too much, simply move the Zoom slider in the bottom right corner to the right or choose 100% to increase the zoom level. Your document will return to the normal single-page editing view, making it much easier to read and type. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.